this show is supposed to promote Mpho and his tattoo business, but instead he's painting him in a bad way, guys. His family is just making things worse. And you can even see that this family, guys, they don't want Mpho. They hate Mpho. They just want Unqobile. And Uthemba cannot even protect Mpho, guys. And if you still remember the final, guys, that's when you realize that Mpho was just being used for fame, guys. There was no love here. So if you watch the clip, you will see that when Lawrence announced that Mpho was the winner of the 2 million rand, Uthemba did not even clap his hands. When the house member was standing up congratulating Mpho, Uthemba was just sitting there, and later on they start dating. That is funny, guys. That is the funny move for Uthemba, guys. He knew what he was doing, and Mpho was blinded by love. If Mpho could go back and watch that clip, guys, I'm gonna post the clip here in the comment section, and you guys gonna watch. You're gonna see that, you know what, there was no love here at first place there. And you can see even the family, they're just blaming Mpho that why did she get pregnant, she was supposed to wait. It's not like Uthemba does not have kids. He have 2 kids, guys, and then you're gonna judge a woman for being pregnant. Guys, come on, there's a lot going on, and I feel sorry for Mpho about him, guys. It's very hard. Ever since this show started, we only saw them twice together at Themba's uncle's place, at the one place where Mpho fixing Themba's breakfast. These two are not always together. That is funny. Couple need to be together and enjoy their life together. But when it comes to Mpho, Dimu, and Themba, guys, it's a lot, guys. It's a lot. And I just wish Mpho find, find a strength to walk away from this relationship, because honey, it's not give